Zugzwang. Oh, wow.
Bro, that was 10 seconds.
I know, right? I was like, no. I like it though.
No, I'm judging you harshly.
He just had the time.
Okay, maybe I came in too harsh. This is pretty solid.
He's very controlled. Wow. Wow, he's hitting all that smaller stuff, but in a very simple but technical way. Oh, that hinge, bro.
Yeah, dude, it like kind of the 3D aspect.
Oh my god, dude, so controlled.
Yeah, no, this is a man that drinks water.
Dang.
45, and then just...
Oh, dang. So
solid.
Movement is really good. Yo. Dang. I love this form.
Yeah, that tracks.
Okay. Those sounds match those hits match that sound.
Yeah, no, he understood the assignment. Musicality for sure.
He did. That was freaking dope, dude. Oh my god.
Oh man, that's
damn.
That's the best ending so far.
That was a fresh breath of air, man. Not gonna lie. That was so dope.
Best ending so far.
Let's go to Trinity. Oh, Trinity with the shades, bro. He came to play. Ooh, in his eyes, bro.
In his eyes, bro.
I like that.
No.
Oh, you know, getting a little more showmanship, more outgoing showmanship from this show compared to Zugzwang. Totally different side of the spectrum.
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of like Quest a bit.
A Quest? Oh, because of shades? Oh, I didn't even realize we were impacting, bro. Dang.
Great song choice for an impact.
This is a really good song, yeah.
Yeah.
I love that that thumb placement. That's something that like mostly impactors do, but like normal, well, non-impactors should do that form. The thumb with the middle.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's not very common in non-impactors. Very balanced.
Oh yeah, left, right, forward, back.
Yeah. Oh.
There is arguably some sway.
Some sway, yeah. There is a lack of control in some movements when he has those hits. It's not a hard stick, and I think it's kind of affecting his execution just a little bit.
Yeah, but that, man, the like thumb in that was solid. I love that so much. I think the first time I saw something like that was Juggernaut.
It's like, is he gonna lead with his left or his right? You know what I mean? Both hands are moving at the same time too, in some instances. Like his reacting hand needs to be more concrete in some instances. That was really good. We're about to end here. That felt like a blue ball.
Well,
was that a blue ball?
Okay, wait. So it's 2:36, but yeah, no, I thought it was 2 to 3 minutes plus or minus 15, right? As a rule.
2:36. 2:36. Yeah. What was the thing?
So your rule is.
I mean, if it's like a second off, I don't really care.
Yeah, but like I'm here, I care. Yeah, it's 2 minutes to 3 minutes in length, 15-second grace period.
What was it?
So he, yeah.
Well, no, he's in. Like, he's in. 2:30. Yeah, he's in.
Yeah, but like that's my problem with it.
Oh, right. You're saying that he has enough time to end properly.
Yeah, like he didn't have to do that hard cut.
Yeah, he didn't have to do that hard cut. Right, exactly, yeah, right. Like, and I know Trinity, Trinity, this has been like a problem within the last, I think it was like the lab or something, where Trinity kind of like blue balled a little bit, right? Yeah, you've got to just ease out properly, man. Like, it's like coming out with an outro that's high value. Just making it not feel like it ends abruptly, whether that be through the editing or just the show, you know? So you're nodding your hair there a little bit, Dylan.
What?
I saw you nodding your head there a little bit. You're like, yup.
Yeah, it was just like, because especially with impacting, it's so easy to create. Because it's you're stuck here, not like stuck, but like the viewer's focus is stuck within here.
Right.
But if you cuck me on the ending, then I don't have enough time to be like,
yeah,
well,
yeah. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code ALOHANATION at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.